friends, my name is Madhvi and welcome to Space Tech channel. So today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful site which I use for creating images, thumbnail, presentation, Facebook cover, Instagram, poster and whatever that you do on social media. You must be knowing that whenever you write an article on blog or probably you're doing anything creative that requires an image to actually present what exactly you must have actually created inside. For example, if you have created a YouTube video, then thumbnail is required and thumbnail should be attractive enough to actually make it very beautiful so that people click on it and go inside and watch your content, whatever that you have created in the video. So I use canva.com and I will give the link in the description. So when you log into canva.com, it's free for 30 days. Okay, and it is very easy to use, very adjustable. You have so many elements here. As you can see, I will quickly log into home first to show you what you can design. So basically you can design anything and everything, whatever that comes to your mind whenever you are on social media, be it YouTube thumbnail, poster, presentation, Instagram post, even the video, infographic, logo, whatever company logo or blog logo, Facebook post, infographic, invitation, Facebook cover, card. There are multiple options. Whatever that you can create, even the resume is made over here. Okay, so first you have to decide what you want to create. It's completely up to you. Let's say I'm designing of YouTube thumbnail, let's say for example. So YouTube thumbnail, you will quickly type here thumbnail. Okay, and see, it appears in the suggested. You will click on it, and before logging into home you will need to log in with your email address, the basic details, email address, name and password you will create to sign up for canva.com. For 30 days it is free, and then you will have lot of options to explore and then decide whether you want to go for the paid one or not. I will click on create a design here. Okay, and I'm creating YouTube thumbnail, and I will be taken to the interface where I can actually design my thumbnail. So let's say I'm for just demo purpose I'm designing YouTube thumbnail, right? So first let's see what are the elements that are mentioned here. Here you can see the templates, unlimited templates. I clicked on it. Okay, the templates you can add to your thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. If you're running a music channel, YouTube channel, then music thumbnail is already suggestion. There are so many suggestions given already. So let's say I'm actually creating a thumbnail for my food channel. So here I will quickly click here and the food thing will come here. Okay, and I'm creating this thumbnail for my food channel. I'm running a food channel. This is just for example. Then I will, instead of nutrition 101, I will write travel and enjoy. Okay, so travel and enjoy. This is a very simple and basic enjoy. This is a very basic YouTube thumbnail. You can do a lot of creativity around it. Okay, you can add a text. Okay, you can give a subheading. Let's say I will add a heading here. Let's say I will write food and travel. Okay, here I wrote this. Okay, and then I will adjust it over here. This is how it looks. So I will create, let's say, food and travel. Instead of food and travel, this is a YouTube thumbnail, so I will write how to grow grapes, how to grow blackberries. Oh, it's black in color, it won't be visible. So let's see, I will just give another color. I'll make it white, so it is now visible in white. Okay, because the picture is little dark in color. So how to grow, then if I want I can make it little big. Okay, you can adjust it accordingly. Travel and enjoy is the name of the company. Let's assume, and how to grow blackberry is the heading. Okay, you can actually give a lot of style because you are not limited to just normal text. You are having a lot of options to apply different text styles, and it looks fantastic. Let's say my you can do a lot in this YouTube thumbnail. You have a lot of pictures to explore. Let's say you are not satisfied with the pictures or already there in the library, so you can simply upload your picture. If you have clicked somewhere, you will upload here. On the click upload an image and simply drag it over here and then edit it accordingly, so that there is no problem of copyright as such. Okay, so here elements like charts, line, features, shapes, frame, sticker, everything is mentioned. If you want to actually, let's say if I want to add this this new this plant looking very good, so I will take it over here. This is how it looks. I will double click on it and simply apply here. It looks good. This is a very basic thing. You can apply, you can do a lot here. Okay, this is how my thumbnail is prepared, but here this is just for demonstration purpose. I'm sure you will definitely come up with your creativity and make a beautiful thumbnail, poster, business card, invitation, resume, Facebook logo, Facebook banner, YouTube banner, whatever that you're designing using canva.com easily. So this is a very short video, and let me tell you what you can do next. After creating your thumbnail from the elements, with the help of these elements like this, that as you can see there are videos, there's a background that you can select. Okay, then there is a folder in case if you have purchased any image, it will come directly here, and there is a more to it. There's an app integration. You can simply put there, you can integrate those apps, and these are the free websites, as you know, Pixabay, Pexels. These are integrated, so the images which are there on these websites will also come here. You can do integrations and lot of creative things that you can explore after logging into canva.com. See, now let's say my YouTube thumbnail is ready, so I will quickly, I can even share from here. When I click on share, then I'm logged in over here. I can share it with my friends, but I want to just simply download. I will click on download. Okay, then I can even select the dimensions. The best way I can select the size. PNG is downloaded, I can do a lot, and then I will click on download. It's preparing my design, and I've successfully downloaded. Okay, it is asking me to pay, but I'm using it for 30 days. I thought to share with you guys. See, this is how my YouTube thumbnail will look like. This is just an example. Here your creativity matters a lot, so you can play around with it, make videos, images for various purposes, and I hope you like the video. I use canva.com, and I will give the link in the description. This is not a paid video, but I thought just to share it with you guys so that it can ease your process of being a YouTuber and searching for images. There are certain things that you can do on your own, there are certain things that you cannot, but definitely you will learn with time, and so do I. So I'm signing off from here, and I feel that this video is definitely going to help, and if it does, then please hit like, subscribe, share. Thank you.